Specific imbalances in the body can result in several significant health problems. Cholesterol is one of those elements that can do a lot of harm if left unchecked, and it may cause some serious diseases such as high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. Our body needs the good, HDL, cholesterol in order to work properly, but when it goes off the charts it can cause numerous deadly cardiovascular diseases. The main causes for high cholesterol levels are an unhealthy diet, being overweight, obesity, low physical activity, etc. The situation is usually treated with prescription drugs that control the level of cholesterol, but these drugs have adverse side effects that may worsen your condition. Today we're going to present a natural remedy that will lower cholesterol levels in your blood and prevent diseases such as atherosclerosis. Ingredients: a small piece of ginger, grated. 1 garlic clove, grated. 1 tablespoon of ACV. 1 teaspoon of organic honey. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Preparation: just mix all the ingredients in a blender until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Drink the blend fresh and keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days. Drink a glass of the remedy in the morning and another one before lunch in order to appreciate its full benefits and balance your cholesterol levels.